Chapter 10, Data and Statistics Test. For exercises 1 and 2, use the following set of data. Number 1. What are the first and third quartiles of the data? Number 2. What is the interquartile range of the data? Number 3. A blank is a data display in which each data item is shown as a dot or as an X. F. Bar graph, G. Histogram, H. Dot plot, J. Box and whisker plot. Number 4. Which type of graph has bars that touch each other and represent intervals? A. Bar graph, B. Histogram, C. Dot plot, D. Box and whisker plot. For exercises 5 and 6, use the box plot below. It shows the number of days on the market for single-family homes in a city. Home sales, days on the market. Number 5, what are the first and third quartiles of the data? Number 6, what percent of homes were on the market between 20 and 40 days? For exercises 7 and 8, refer to the histogram that shows the prices of cameras. Number 7, which interval has the greatest number of cameras? Number 8, how many cameras cost more than $299? The table at the right shows the number of movies owned by a group of people. Number 9, determine the average number of movies owned. Show all work. Cadence asked her classmates how many fiction books each has read. The results are shown in the dot plot. Use the graph for exercises 10. Number of fiction books read. 10. What is the mean of the data? Round to the nearest tenth. 11. What is the median of the data? 12. What is the mode of the data? 13. What is the range of the data? Number 14. Use the table showing the number of students and their favorite sport. Represent the data in a bar graph. Summarize and describe the data based on the distribution. Favorite sport: soccer, volleyball, water polo, basketball, ice hockey, tennis. Based on the data, which two statements are true? F. No one chose water polo as their favorite sport. G. The mode of the data is volleyball and basketball. H. More students chose basketball than tennis. J. The mode of the data is ice hockey. 15. Represent the data below in a stem and leaf plot. Don't forget the key. Number of movies. Bonus. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The blank is the number or numbers that occur most frequently in a data set. A blank is an empty space or interval in a set of data. Data that are grouped together are called a blank. Values that divide the data into 4 equal parts are blank.